for anchor down in the sea. A, anchor, holding boat steady. B is for boat, sailing away. B, boat on a sunny day. C is for canoe, paddling slow. C, canoe, watch it go. D is for dinghy, small and light. D, dinghy, floating bright. E is for engine, making it go. E, engine, fast or slow. F is for ferry, big and wide. F, ferry, people ride. G is for gondola, long and neat. G, gondola, glide so sweet. H is for harbor, boats all stay. H, harbor, safe all day. I is for island, far in the sea. I, island, come and see. J is for jet ski, zoom so fast. J, jet ski, racing past. K is for kayak, paddle with me. K, kayak on the sea. L is for lighthouse, shining bright. L, lighthouse in the night. M is for motorboat, speed away. M, motorboat, splash and play. N is for navy, ship so strong. N, navy, sailing long. O is for ocean, big and blue. O, ocean, for me and you. P is for paddle boat, fun to ride. P, paddle boat, side by side. Q is for queue, boats park here. Q, quay, come dock near. R is for raft, float along. R, raft, sing a song. S is for sailboat, wind so free. S, sailboat on the sea. T is for tugboat, pull with might. T, tugboat, strong and tight. U is for underwater sub. U, submarine, bubble, bubble. V is for vessel, big or small. V, vessel, carries all. W is for watercraft, everywhere. W, watercraft, here and there. X is for xebec, old-time ship. X, xebec, sailing trip. Y is for yacht, shiny and grand. Yacht, across the land. Z is for zodiac, bouncing fast. Z, zodiac, zooming past. A is apple. B is ball. C is cat. D is dog. E is elephant. F is fish. G is goat. H is horse. I is ice cream. J is chip. K is kita. L is wire. M is monkey. N is nose. O is orange. P is kanga. Q is queen. R is rabbit. S is sun. T is tiger. U is umbrella. V is van. Well is well. X is zebra. Bye is white. C zebra. Ooh. I is for asparagus, green and tall. B is for broccoli, tree so small. large and sweet. D is for daikon, crunchy to eat. E is for eggplant, purple and round. F is for fennel, fresh from the ground. G is for garlic, strong little clove. H is for horseradish, spicy it grows. I is for iceberg lettuce, crispy and cool. J is for jalapeno, spicy and cool. K is for kale, leafy and green. L is for leek, best in cuisine. M is for mushroom, soft like a cloud. N is for napa, cabbage big and proud. O is for okra, long and neat. P is for pumpkin, yummy and sweet. Q is for quinoa leaves, healthy to eat. R is for radish, crunchy treat. S is for spinach, makes you strong. T is for tomato, juicy and yum. U is for ube, purple delight. V is for veggies, colorful and bright. W is for watercress, tiny and green. X is for ziegel, veg, rarely seen. I is for yam, soft and sweet. Z is for zucchini, fun to eat. Ooh, 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 ooh. I, B, C, sing with me. Healthy veggies from A to Z. Eat them daily, grow up strong. Happy kids, sing this song. Ooh, 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 ooh. A is for angelfish. Angelfish. A is angelfish. B is for bass. Bass. B is bass. C is for catfish. Catfish. C is catfish. D is for damselfish. Damselfish. D is damselfish. E is for eel. Eel. E is eel. F is for flounder. Flounder. F is flounder. G is for goldfish. Goldfish. G is goldfish. H is for herring. Herring. H is herring. I is for icefish. Icefish. I is icefish. J is for jelly nose fish. Jelly nose fish. J is jelly nose fish. K is for koi. Koi. K is koi. L is for lionfish. Lionfish. L is lionfish. M is for mackerel. Mackerel. M is mackerel. N is for needlefish. Needlefish. N is needlefish. O is for oscarfish. Oscarfish. O is escarfish. P is for pufferfish. Pufferfish. P is pufferfish. Q is for queen angelfish. Queen angelfish. Q is queen angelfish. R is for rainbow fish. Rainbow fish. R C, 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 E. C is cat. D, 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 D is dog. E, 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 E is elephant. F, 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 F is fish. G, 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 G is goat. H, 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 H is horse. I is ice cream. J, 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 J